Alright, what's going on?
Alright, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm modifying the controls of my Kmart drone so that I can control it from my computer. In the last video, you probably saw that I reverse engineered the Wi-Fi camera feed, and in this video, I'm modifying the controller so that I'm able to override it using my computer so that hopefully I can control the whole thing through my computer.
Alright, so I've got this little guy here. I've taken out the middle value of this into here, and this one into this, and then this is the power for this. So it's all running off the same, because you want it all to be the same ground, so it comes in from the USB, from the computer, from the ESP8266, and then no batteries. So it's powered by that. This is the drone. I'll turn him on.
So the main thing here is, if you look into this code here, so we've got like a drive high, drive low. Basically, if we set it to digital read, okay, this is the thing, right? We don't have an analog output because this 8266 doesn't, they're not doing analog, they just can do PWM on or off. If we have it saying off all the time, it's just going to have this all the way down. On the remote, it's going to say all the way down or all the way up, which is not good. What you want is for it to sit in the middle value, which is 1.6 volts. But I can't output 1.6 volts using the ESP8266 because it's PWM. It can only do 0 or 3. And even if you switch between them really fast, the computer on the remote will still pick it up really fast. So you can't do PWM. You can only do on or off. But then how do I get the 1.6? The value in the middle is 1.6. Then down and up are going to be different, right? That middle value, I need it to be floating because the resistance in the controller already calculates that in, basically. So what I need to happen is I needed the pin to be floating on the Arduino when the controls are doing nothing. They float at 1.6 volts. But then I override it to either 3.3 or 0 by pulling it down and pulling it up. The ESP can't do 1.6. It can't do the middle value. But it already does that on the remote. And I want the remote to be able to be used normally. Basically what I want is when I click W or AS or D, whatever, and then my IJKL, I want it to just, when I click it, it goes, oh yeah, send that to 100, send it to 0 to do an adjustment. But otherwise, they're floating, i.e. leave them what the remote is where they're doing nothing. So that's what the code does. Right here for drive low, you set it to low. For drive high, set it to high. But to float something, you just set the pin mode to input. And then here you're just setting it to output or to output, right? For either high or low, you've got to set it as an output. And then I suppose what you do is you write that pin before setting it as the output, so that it's already written as that prior. And then here you're setting it to an input when you want it to float, which is basically the 1.6 volts. That's what's already on the controller. And you're basically setting it as you're setting them all floating all the time. So that way it's always letting the controller do whatever it wants to do. And then the computer can just override that. You just set them to 100 or 0. But if it could do analog, it could control it nicely, but whatever. Doesn't matter. So that's that. And then you go, okay, well, let's connect to the drone and see the video feed, right? Because you want to see the video feed because I'm going to want to control it with like AI or something, right? All right, here it is. So we got our viewer and our controls. Let's see it all here.
Alright. It's all happening. Excellent. Now let's put the drone over here where it won't hurt me, hopefully. And I will show you first of all that it works with the remote. So I'll put it up. And you go, oh, it worked up, good. And is the controls for this working? So down on that is going to be S. Let's see if it works. Works. Good, right? So you can do both. You can do either or. So now I need to launch it. So I need to do launch mode. So launch mode, and that's bring home. So launch mode and bring down mode. I'm still doing on the controls because I don't want to have to solder those, but you get the idea. So I'll launch it, this, to prepare it. And it's in the air. Okay, I better control it. Okay, bring it down with S. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's kind of hard to film. That's a good height though. That's you can see what I'm doing here. Oh shit, it's all over there. So you can see I'm controlling it. It's a bit hard to see. Oh shit. Get that away from me. But you can see what I'm doing here, probably. Just IJKL. And then over there you can see it's doing it. And if you want to turn it, I'll turn it a little bit maybe. There we go, I turned it. There we go, and we can, hopefully I can show you that it still works. Oh shit. Go away, get away from me! It still works on the remote, so I get good control on the remote, obviously. So the remote has still got really much nicer, see? The real remote I can still use normally. And just to prove that to you, you can see me doing it here. Yeah. So I hope you're convinced. So I'll hit this to bring it down. And now it's in land mode. I need to bring it down. There we go. So, hopefully that video feed was working. Might not have been, because the battery might have been flat.
And the video picks up now. Oh well, we'll see if it was working in the recording. That's okay. All right, so thanks for watching the video. That's as far as I recorded at the time. I'm actually editing the video right now, so realized I didn't do an outro or anything. But yeah, I just want to let you know, thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. The next thing that I'm probably going to be doing will be figuring out how to get the camera working correctly. I think that when it's taking off on low battery, I think that the video feed plays up, so I'm going to try having a look at that. But yeah, now I can control the drone with my computer. I'll see if I can autonomously navigate using that camera feed. But if I'm not, I'll start exploring some other options, maybe getting a better drone. So let me know what you think. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.